boundary, and then a few of the boys came in and played really well. Has played really well and kind of took the pressure off me, and then we managed to build a bit of a partnership. But I think all the momentum was kind of taken out of the innings when we lost sort of 3 wickets for no runs. So really disappointing from that point of view, because we know that they sort of got a pretty strong batting lineup, and all the momentum was with us at that point in the game. So to lose 3 for none was really disappointing. But it's a tough one to take, because I felt we had probably a par score, maybe just under, but I thought we could defend it. But not to be tonight.
Adam, you were the top scorer for your team, but don't you think the way you played, you would have scored more runs on those deliveries?
I thought it was an under par score probably in terms of the pitch. I was pretty happy with how I played my innings. I sort of would take 45 off 30 balls every day of the week, and then back myself to really explode at the back end. But sometimes in cricket it doesn't quite work like that, and I'll stick it out. And next time hopefully I can kick on.
Adam, I think you made your first class debut against Pakistan in around 2016. So, you've already got one player, having so many other players coming in, just how does it feel being on the same side as them?
Yeah, I actually had Mohammad Amir, and I still say this to the day, he bowled me the best ball I think I've ever received on my debut. He came sort of around the wicket, and I think the ball swung about 4 foot and knocked my off stump out. So I had a little joke with him, because this is the first time I've played with him, played a lot against him, but we had a good joke about that a couple of days ago. But we've got a lot of experience in the side. If we're being brutally honest today, we were probably a little bit rusty. So we've got a couple of days to reflect on that and come back stronger in a few days' time.
How was the pitch behaving in the second inning? Because the 167, 162 was good, but doesn't the pitch was behaving good or bad? Yeah,
I thought it got better. It probably got better in the second innings, but saying that, I thought we were definitely still sort of par or probably under par. I thought 180 we probably would have stand a much better chance. I thought the pitch got a lot better throughout the game.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Adam.
All right.
Keeper gave me a plan to restrict the runs. Don't look for wickets, but just try to get as many dot balls as possible, which I was trying to do, and I'm happy it came out well, and I helped my team, restrict them to only 160. It was looking like 200 plus, but we are happy that we restricted them to 160 and we chased it down.
Ali, you've become somewhat of a T20 specialist in franchise cricket, and quite a lot of the players you're familiar with from other tournaments. Does this just make it easier, getting into a new team?
I've been playing with Knight Riders for over the number of years, so it's kind of like home for me. So I'm very familiar with all the faces, and they're familiar with me. And the coaches have put in a lot of work, especially Ravi Rampal. He's been working on one-on-one with the bowlers. So this is whatever we come to bowl in the game. We have been practicing in a 10-day long camp in Abu Dhabi, and we have been training all kind of scenarios, especially the death bowling for me, my speciality. So I'm happy that I could help the team restrict them to a low total and help my team win the game.
There was a global icon here to support you. There's none other than Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
So how passionate he is, seeing to his he was sitting all day long for your matches.
Yeah, he's amazing. He was here last year as well, and he's been to other franchises as well with the Knight Riders. Wherever they play, he come and support the team and support the boys, and the boys love him. And we are very happy that he's here, and we are glad that we got the win also while he was there.
Does Shah Rukh Khan presence add to any pressure?
No, it's no pressure, but just your boss is here, so you want to do well, and make sure your team does well and get the win. Yeah.
Ali, you're familiar with Dubai pitches, obviously, but I have to ask you this, because you're from USA with, the T20 World Cup going there as well. Do you feel that this is almost a practice ground for you?
Yeah, it's really good, for us to be, for me especially being here and playing a, high-level tournament here in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. It will be a great practice for me. Just before the World Cup, and I'll gain all the experience and practices whatever I can from here, and knowledge, and pass it on to my teammates, and that's definitely going to help us do well in the World Cup.
Thank you.